Hello everyone, in this video we are solving question 4 from the IMAT 2024 paper. Let's start. So the question asks, in which of the following is the verb passive? And just to get the idea, there are two types of verb structures, active voice and passive voice. In active voice, the subject performs the action, while in passive voice, the subject receives the action. We'll understand this more clearly with examples as we go through the options. So first, let's take a look at each one. Option A says, in one of his works, Plato associates solid forms to the four elements, octahedron to air, tetrahedron to fire, cube to earth, and icosahedron to water. Plato is actively doing the action, so this is active voice. Option B. In A Gallic Wars, Julius Caesar described in detail his military campaign to conquer Gaul. Basically, Julius Caesar described his military campaign. Again, Caesar performs the action, so it's active. Option C. Many students read Greek tragedies in high school. The students are doing the reading, so it's active too. Option B. In the Iliad, Homer sings the deeds of the Pelide Achilles. I'm not sure. But Homer sings the deeds of Achilles. Homer is the subject doing the action, so this is also active voice. Finally, option E. The deeds of the Aeneas were sung by Virgil. So this sentence is passive because the subject, the deeds of the Aeneas, is receiving the action instead of doing it. Virgil is the one performing the action of singing. A quick way to spot the passive voice is to look for a form of to be plus a past participle. Here it's were sung. Just for future reference, to know the difference between active and passive voice, an example is Shakespeare wrote the play is active voice because Shakespeare performs the action. On the other hand, the play was written by Shakespeare is passive voice because the play receives the action. And that's it for question 4. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like more IMAT past paper walkthroughs and practice questions, be sure to visit imatmock.com. See you in the next question.